Senate President, distinguished colleagues, my name is Ireti representing the people of the Federal Capital Territory. I have a petition from the solicitors to Engineer Samuel Osasenoga Obu in relation to the death of his sister. According to the information available, this deceased was allegedly murdered by her husband, Egiamoso Evans, at their residence in Kubwa. Prior to her untimely death, there were reported incidents of domestic violence, threats to her life, and a pattern of abusive behavior, which heightened suspicions regarding his involvement in her death. It is our client's belief that the death of his sister was not natural. So, distinguished senators and Senate President, sir, he is asking for an impartial, transparent investigation into the death of the sister. I so submit, sir.
Is there any legal encumbrance? Is the matter before any court of law?
None, sir.
You may wish to present a petition. Submit your petition. The petition is hereby referred to the Committee on Ethics, Code of Conduct and Public Petitions to report back within 4 weeks. The Leader of the Senate, you are